Hi everyone, I'm Sean Bermeo, and today I will be introducing the new Huawei MateBook D16 2024, a laptop that perfectly blends performance and portability. As you all know, Huawei is a brand from China and they make some of the finest technology in the world, but let's focus on their PC business. Huawei has been making excellent laptops, especially at a friendly budget, and today we will be focusing on the Huawei MateBook D16 2024. You might think, what's so special about this technology? Well, compared to the previous laptop models, the Huawei MateBook D16 2024 has a modern and sleek look. Although it looks like an ordinary laptop, it's entirely different. The Huawei MateBook D16 2024 comes in two colors, Mystic Silver and Space Gray, both of which exude professionalism. This 16-inch laptop offers multiple ports, two USB-A and one USB-C, and an HDMI. It features a full-size keyboard with a number pad, Intel's 13th Gen processors, and weighs just 1.68 kg with a 70-watt battery. It also includes a 65-watt Huawei supercharged brick with an attachable cable. The laptop has a 16:10 1200p display with thin bezels and a top-mounted webcam. The MateBook D16 2024 sturdy chases and screen lid show no flex. The trackpad is off-center due to the keyboard's number pad. The power button is in the upper right corner and doubles as a fingerprint reader, logging you in instantly. It features dual front-facing microphones with Huawei's PC Manager offering noise handling options like noise cancelling and Sound True HD, with noise cancelling being more effective. The dual button firing speakers deliver clear mid-range sound but lack bass. PC Manager also offers audio enhancement like smart optimization. A standout feature is its phone integration, allowing screen control of any Android device, not just Huawei. It boasts a 15-hour battery life for local video playback, surpassing many competitors. This versatile technology product is designed for working professionals and students, suitable for various settings. Its large display enhances productivity by providing ample visual space for tasks, while its lightweight design makes it ideal for on-the-go use, whether commuting or traveling. It supports a wide range of functions including video editing, photo editing, and online learning, making it a practical choice for both professionals and students seeking efficiency and productivity. The Huawei MateBook D16 2024 was launched in November 2023 and later arrived in the Philippines in 2024. Before this, Huawei released the MateBook D16 2023 and the original MateBook D16 in 2022. The MateBook D16 2024 shows significant improvements over its predecessors, featuring an updated, more powerful processor and the latest operating system, while older models receive software updates. The 2024 version offers more compatibility for future updates and enhancements, making it a better long-term option. While the MateBook D16 2024 offers updated features, its predecessors, the MateBook D16 2024 and the original MateBook D16, still perform well and meet various needs. Although the older models share similar specs with the 2024 version, the newer model has enhancements for improved performance. The older versions provide solid performance at a more affordable price, which is ideal for those who may not always have the means to purchase the latest products. Despite being older, these models remain practical and efficient, delivering reliable performance for everyday tasks. Of course, the product has its limitations such as its battery life, since it's the same with other Windows laptops that would only last for like 6 to 8 hours or even shorter depending on the usage. Because it's also an older version, it's expected that it wouldn't work as well as the newer version. Based on different research, these old versions would also tend to heat up, which could also affect the performance when it is being utilized by the customer. The real question is, does society truly need the newest version of the product? The answer is yes. While some may disagree, upgrading to the latest model offers clear advantages. Newer versions come with enhanced features, improved performance, and the latest updates, making them more efficient and effective. In today's fast-paced world, having up-to-date technology is essential for keeping up with daily demands. Upgrading to newer models provides the speed and functionality needed to stay productive and efficient in our ever-evolving society. While the Huawei MateBook D16 2024 is the latest version, it has some limitations. It features a built-in 720p webcam, which is functional but lacks the higher resolution expected in today's rapidly advancing tech landscape. The model also has limited RAM expandability, with 16 gigabytes soldered onto the motherboard, making upgrades impossible. Its conservative design may not appeal to consumers seeking modern aesthetics and innovation. Additionally, the compact keyboard with its number pad results in smaller keys, potentially affecting typing comfort and accuracy. Lastly, like many laptops, it can become warm under heavy use, impacting performance during intensive tasks. Products naturally have limitations, and we often think about how they could be improved. The Huawei MateBook D16 2024, as previously mentioned, is no exception. One way to enhance it would be to upgrade the built-in webcam to a higher resolution. Additionally, offering more flexible RAM options would greatly benefit users. The design could also be modernized, perhaps taking inspiration from the sleek aesthetic of the Apple MacBook, while still incorporating Huawei's own innovative touches. As for the keyboard, removing the number pad could create more space for larger keys, improving typing comfort. Alternatively, if the number pad is essential, the overall keyboard and screen size could be expanded to accommodate it. Lastly, improving the laptop's cooling system would help maintain performance during intensive tasks and prevent overheating. Conducting thorough research on the current product can help address its limitations and guide improvements for future models. Testing the MateBook D16 2024 to its maximum capacity and closely observing its performance would provide valuable insights. Based on online reviews, the MateBook D16 2024 may not appeal to everyone, as many consumers prioritize aesthetics. Updating the design to be more visually appealing could attract more attention and make the product stand out. Additionally, improving the built-in webcam should be a priority for future models. A higher resolution camera would not only enhance video conference quality but also cater to the preference of Gen Z users who often use their laptops for taking photos and capturing memories. As remote work becomes increasingly common, laptops that enable seamless communication and productivity are essential. With more students participating in online learning and teachers adapting to digital platforms, enhancing these devices will significantly improve the learning experiences through better display quality and performance. Furthermore, as more individuals pursue creative professions, a laptop that supports high-quality display capabilities will meet the growing demand. While an aesthetically pleasing laptop isn't a necessity, it certainly enhances the user experience. In today's society, where first impressions matter, having an affordable yet visually appealing laptop can create a positive impact. A well-designed product can leave a lasting impression and attract admiration from peers. Before the launch of the Huawei MateBook D16 2024, consumers expected laptops to deliver powerful performance in the mobile world, capable of handling demanding tasks like video editing, gaming, and multitasking. With the rise of remote work and on-the-go lifestyles, the demand for lightweight and portable devices increased. Many users, including myself, prioritize thin laptops that are easy to carry. As technology advances, it also becomes more expensive, prompting consumers to favor brands that embrace eco-friendly practices and produce durable products. There is always hope that new releases will be life-changing, meeting essential needs. With evolving technology, societal expectations for laptops have risen. People seek devices that are not only powerful and durable, but also stylish and aesthetically pleasing. High-resolution displays, sleek designs, and seamless integration with smartphones and tablets have become key priorities. The Huawei MateBook D16 2024 was introduced to the public through strategic marketing and launch events. Digital brands like Huawei often use product montages to highlight how their laptops stand out from competitors. Collaborating with brand ambassadors and influencers helps promote the product to a broader audience. These influencers provide reviews and unboxing videos showcasing the laptop's functionality in real-life scenarios, which encourages their followers to consider the product. Launch events in key markets generated excitement, featuring product demonstrated and interactive experiences, allowing attendees to engage with brand representatives. Huawei also offered pre-order campaigns with exclusive benefits and created online communities for users to discuss the laptop and share feedback. These strategies contributed to a successful launch for the MateBook D16 2024, generating significant interest in the product. Following the launch of the Huawei MateBook D16 2024, consumer expectations for laptops have risen, with a greater demand for innovative features and powerful performance. The model has set a new benchmark for processing power, battery life, and overall user experience. However, every product has its limitations, and some users feel the MateBook D16 2024's design falls short of expectations. This perceived design flaw is viewed as a drawback. Additionally, the growing emphasis on sustainability has led consumers to seek environmentally friendly laptops produced reasonably. Consequently, companies are increasingly integrating sustainable materials and practices into their design and manufacturing processes. The Huawei MateBook D16 2024 is now available in the Philippines, quickly gaining popularity among users. As the country embraces technological advancements, this versatile laptop serves various purposes. Here are 4 ways it's being utilized. First is work and productivity. In today's workplace, a reliable laptop is essential. The MateBook D16 2024 helps users create spreadsheets, emails, and presentations, making it invaluable for writing, editing, and designing documents, graphics, and videos. Second is education and learning. During the pandemic, laptops became crucial for educators and students. The MateBook D16 serves as a learning management system, facilitating online classes, discussion, and assignment completion. It also embraces research and paper writing through easy access to online resources. Third is entertainment. While traditional TVs are common, many prefer laptops for entertainment. The MateBook D16 allows users to watch movies, play video games, listen to music, and chat with friends on platforms like Discord. Lastly, communicating and socializing. The MateBook D16 2024 is key for staying connected. It supports video chats with colleagues, friends, and family, and provides easy access to social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram for browsing and posting. The Huawei MateBook D16 2024 meets several key needs in the Philippine society. In education, this laptop serves as a valuable resource for both students and teachers. It empowers learners to study at their own pace while connecting with peers worldwide through access to online courses, digital textbooks, and collaborative platforms. Its powerful performance and large display facilitate research, paper writing, and interactive learning experiences. For professionals, the MateBook D16 2024 is an essential tool for enhancing efficiency and productivity. Its capabilities allow business to streamline workflows, collaborate effectively, and remain competitive in a global market. Whether for office tasks, content creation, or data analysis, the MateBook D16 2024 provides the necessary tools to thrive in today's competitive landscape. Beyond education and business, the MateBook D16 2024 addresses the entertainment needs of users. Its high-quality display and powerful performance make it perfect for streaming movies, playing games, and enjoying various digital content. Moreover, the laptop supports creative pursuits like video editing, graphic design, and music production, fostering personal expression and self-discovery. The Huawei MateBook D16 2024 stands out as the best option among its competitors. While some may favor renowned brands like Apple's MacBook, the MateBook D16 2024 offers superior value. Equipped with the latest processors, it delivers enhanced performance compared to older models and many competitors, efficiently handling tasks like video editing, data analysis, and gaming. Unlike MacBooks, which often come with a premium price tag, the MateBook D16 2024 provides competitive specifications at a more accessible price point, making it suitable for a wider audience. While the MacBook may be aesthetically pleasing, the Huawei MateBook D16 2024 excels in practicality. It is user-friendly and performs comparably to a MacBook. For gamers, the MateBook D16 2024 is particularly advantageous, featuring dedicated graphics options that some alternatives lack or offer in limited configurations. As technology continues to evolve, laptops like Huawei MateBook D16 2024 plays a vital role in our personal and professional lives. Its ability to enhance productivity, facilitate communication, and provide a visually appealing experience makes it a valuable investment for individuals seeking a versatile and reliable device. So, what are you waiting for? Buy this Huawei MateBook D16 2024 now.